Dear friend, today I have Samsung QLED TV. Let me show you. I turn on the TV. Screen is working. After a few seconds screen blank. Now I open the TV. See, this is power supply and this is main board. Here have two FFC cable left and right. I again turn on the TV. Let me show you. Few seconds TV is working after screen blank. Here have 2 point for feedback. I make here jumper for checking left side problem or right side problem. I don't make hair jumper. I can't find which side problem, left side problem or right side problem. See, I remove one FFC cable. I turn on the TV. See, backlight is on. Let me show you. See, right side is perfect working. No any shorting, no any lines. And then I remove the right side and fix the left side and check. See, I confirm left side gate line short. This is left side FFC cable. I block the gate line with cello tape. Now I fix the left side FFC cable and remove the feedback points. Now I turn on the TV. Let me show you. That's great. TV is working, no any line, no any issue. Screen still working. Now I close the TV and fix in wall. See, TV is perfectly working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more information. Take care. Bye bye.